Can you describe your whole day in English?
Master it now. Never feel lost.
Today, learn to describe your daily routine in English.
We cover mornings, work, and evenings.
Welcome to the Daily Speaking English podcast. I'm Lina, and I am so happy you are here with us today.
And I'm Ben. Hi, Lina. So good to be here. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, Ben. I had a wonderful morning and I have lots of energy. How about you?
I'm fantastic, thank you. I had my coffee, so I am officially ready for anything.
Subscribe to the Daily Speaking English podcast, a new lesson every single day.
Let's jump right in, because today's topic is something every person in the world can relate to.
Let's start at the beginning, the morning. Ben, are you a morning person?
Not even a little bit. My alarm goes off, I hear it, I think 5 more minutes, and then suddenly I am already 30 minutes late.
I knew it. I am completely the opposite. I wake up early before the street outside gets noisy. The house is still and quiet, and I love that feeling.
That sounds so peaceful. What do you actually do with that quiet time?
The very first thing, coffee. I make a cup, sit by the window, and just enjoy the silence. No phone, no news, just me and the morning.
I also need coffee desperately, but I drink mine while running around the apartment trying to find my other shoe.
How do you take your coffee, Ben?
Strong and completely black. No milk, no sugar. I need it to wake me up as fast as possible.
I like mine with a little warm milk, very gentle and cozy. After coffee, I eat a proper breakfast, yogurt with fruit or sometimes eggs.
Eggs in the morning? You must have so much time. I grab a banana on my way out the door, and that is my entire breakfast.
That is because you stay up until midnight, Ben. Now, getting dressed, is that easy for you in the morning?
Actually, yes. I solved that problem completely. I only keep simple shirt colors in my closet. Blue, white, gray. I grab one, I put it on, I'm done. Zero thinking required.
That is genuinely brilliant. I have a full closet, and every single morning I stand there for 5 minutes thinking I have absolutely nothing to wear.
That happens to everyone with a full closet. Okay, we're dressed. Time to get to work. How do you commute, Lina?
I drive my car. It's comfortable, but the morning traffic is really painful. So many cars, all moving so slowly. Stop, wait, move a little, stop again.
I take the bus. It gets very crowded, but I put on my headphones and listen to a music or a podcast, and suddenly the time passes much faster.
Smart. I play loud music in my car to stay awake in the traffic. It helps a lot, and sometimes I even arrive at work in a good mood.
Now we are at work. My morning always starts exactly the same way. I sit at my desk, I turn on my computer, and I find 50 new emails waiting for me.
The emails never stop. I spend the first hour just reading and replying. Then the meetings begin, and before I know it, it's already noon.
Lunchtime, my absolute favorite part of the workday. Do you bring your lunch from home or do you buy it?
I usually bring my lunch. I prepare a salad or a sandwich in the morning. It saves money and I know exactly what I'm eating.
Very organized. I go to a small cafe near my office, buy a sandwich, and take a short walk outside. Getting fresh air in the middle of the day makes such a big difference.
It really does. Now, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, what happens to your energy at that point?
It completely disappears. My eyes get heavy, my brain slows right down, and I feel like I could fall asleep sitting at my desk.
I drink green tea at that point, just enough energy to carry me through to 5 o'clock without keeping me awake later in night.
I sometimes have another coffee or a small snack, an apple or a few crackers, just enough to wake my brain up a little and keep going.
And then 5 o'clock finally arrives, the best moment of the entire workday.
Work is finished. I take the bus home, completely exhausted, and just look out the window and watch the city go past.
I drive home through the traffic again, but I feel happy because I'm going home. The moment I open my front door, everything in my body relaxes.
What's the very first thing you do when you get home?
I put down my bag, kick off my shoes, and say a huge hello to my dog, Max. He is always so happy to see me, jumping, wagging his tail, running in little circles.
How sweet! I have a cat named Bella. When I come home, she looks at me very calmly, says one quiet meow, and then walks directly to her food bowl.
Ha! That is so perfectly typical cat behavior. They are absolutely the boss.
Bella is 100% the boss of my home. After greeting the pets, the next important step is changing clothes. Off come the work clothes, on go the comfortable ones.
Yes, that moment when you change into soft, comfortable clothes after a long day is honestly one of the best feelings there is.
It really is. Dinner time. Do you cook, Lina?
I love cooking. I find it very relaxing after a busy day. I put on some music, chop vegetables, and make something simple like soup or pasta with fresh tomato sauce.
That sounds wonderful. I have to be completely honest, I am a terrible cook. I have burned pasta, burned rice, and once I even forgot a pot of water on the stove until all the water was gone.
How do you burn water, Ben?
I genuinely do not know. So for dinner, I make very simple things. Toast, eggs, or I just order pizza. A good pepperoni pizza is perfect after a long, hard day.
Pizza is always a great choice. After dinner, what do you do with the rest of your evening?
I clean the kitchen first. Then I sit on my sofa with Bella and watch a funny film. I need to laugh in the evening. It helps me relax completely.
That sounds lovely. I take Max for a short walk after dinner. The street is quiet, the air is fresh, and sometimes I look up at the stars. It is a very peaceful end to the day.
That sounds beautiful. What time do you go to bed?
10 o'clock. I brush my teeth, put on my pajamas, read for 10 minutes, and fall asleep almost immediately.
10 o'clock? I usually go to bed around midnight. I watch one more episode of something, read a few things online, and suddenly it is very late.
And then in the morning, you press snooze 5 times and rush out the door. It is one big connected cycle, Ben.
You are completely right, and I know it. I'm working on changing it, I promise.
If you are finding this episode useful, please subscribe to the Daily Speaking English podcast. Thousands of learners join us every day for a fresh new lesson.
Just one tap and you are part of our community. Now let's do a quick review.
Let's review what we talked about today. First, morning routines. Key phrases: wake up, hit snooze, get out of bed, make coffee, get dressed. Some people love mornings. Others need 5 alarms.
Second, the workday. Commuting by car or bus, dealing with emails and meetings, and that 3 o'clock energy drop. Tea, coffee, or a small snack can help you finish strong.
Third, evenings at home. Changing clothes, cooking dinner or ordering food, relaxing with a pet or a film, and getting ready for bed. Everyone's evening is a little different, and that's what makes it interesting.
Thank you so much for listening today. You are doing something wonderful for yourself every time you practice English.
Listen to this episode again tomorrow morning, maybe during breakfast. Every time you listen, the words go deeper into your memory and come out more naturally when you speak.
Your challenge today, describe your own daily routine out loud in English from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. Just a few sentences for each part.
Then come to the comments and tell us, are you a morning person or a night person? We read every single comment and we love hearing from you.
Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new episode. Share this with a friend who is learning English too.
The Daily Speaking English podcast community is something truly special. Every day, learners from every corner of the world come here to practice, grow, and support each other. When you leave a comment, you're not just practicing English, you're connecting with someone across the world who drinks the same morning coffee, sits in the same traffic, and feels that same 3 o'clock tiredness. You are never alone in this. Keep showing up. Keep practicing, and know that every day you learn something new in English is a day you move forward. We are so proud of every one of you, and we can't wait to see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Go describe your day in English right now.
Goodbye. See you next time.